Hello and welcome back to the Hughes Enterprises channel. This is not a normal video for me, but I wanted to show you a project I'm working on. I am fixing up this Ford Explorer Sport. It's 2000, just a little two-wheel drive thing. A little toy to take out in the woods. But it's changing out the fuel filter and the original fuel connector, the quick detach fuel line that's still on the car, had deteriorated pretty badly. And inside, the little steel retaining ring was pretty heavily rusted and beat up, and then there's just one O-ring. So I was going into work and just started spraying fuel everywhere because it's missing a bunch of pieces. And I tried looking online to see what pieces it was missing, and that information, I guess, doesn't exist. So here it is. Inside of the Ford quick attach fuel connectors. Let's go in here. I just pulled these out of a couple Explorers in the junkyard. There's the retaining clips in there, little 3 fingers, and then a steel ring. That's this guy here, little steel ring, and then there's a blue O-ring, which is this guy. Then beyond the blue O-ring, there's a little nylon washer, this guy. And then beyond the nylon washer, way back in there, up against the end of the fitting right here, is a black O-ring. So that's what it looks like for any of you trying to put together one of these nightmares. A lot of people just clip these off and attach the Dorman quick disconnect repair lines, but I really don't want to go clipping fuel lines. I did that enough today and got sprayed with fuel. But yeah, so it's steel spacer, blue washer, or blue O-ring, nylon washer, black O-ring, and you just stuff all those in the correct order back into the fitting, and we should be in business. Thanks for watching.